It's salty, it's crunchy, it's cheesy, and it's messy. If you're thinking, what the heck is he talking about? It's poutine. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with this Canadian creation, it's simply French fries and cheese curds smothered in gravy. As a matter of fact, in Canada, every McDonald's has poutine on their menu, right along with a Big Mac. To make them, we start by preparing some frozen French fries according to the package instructions. I baked them, but if you want, you could fry them. Now we top them with a handful of cheese curds. And since these might be new to you, cheese curds are a byproduct of cheese that are produced during the cheese making process. They have a mild flavor and they sort of squeak when you bite into them. All right, we have the fries, we have the cheese curds. Now all we have to do is smother everything with gravy. I never said this was healthy, but I promise it's very tasty. And whether you eat these as a go-along or as the ultimate comfort food, they're almost impossible to resist. To get the recipe for what we call Perfect Poutine, including the homemade gravy, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Canadian-inspired way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You don't need a fork.